please allow me to welcome you guys to another exciting episode of the #1 selling artist in the history of Belize. Yes, guys, you are in for a big treat as I'm going to take you guys along on my brother Steve's 60th birthday bike ride. The birthday boy is up early this morning, and as he gets ready to prepare his breakfast meal, I'm going to give you guys a play-by-play move of everything that's going on with Steve as he wake up around 5:30 this morning to prepare his breakfast, to get on his bike ride and travel from Belmopan to Dangriga on his 60th birthday bike ride. So yes, guys, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, this is the perfect time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do click the notification bell and choose all if you're not already subscribed to this channel. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Despite of unfavorable weather conditions, while the birthday boy was finishing up his breakfast, cyclists came from near and far. Yes, indeed, this ride was not going to be stopped by no type of rain or any type of stubborn weather condition.
The truth is, I'm better off than where I was before, but I'm not quite where I want to be. But right now, there's no room for anything else but just to get it in.
Man, on my 60th birthday, I'm about to go on a 60-mile bike ride, and I'm excited. I'm feeling good. We're about to climb over the Hummingbird highway and get to some good riding. It's raining right now, which keeping the temperature kind of really nice for me. It'll be great. I look forward to a good ride, bro.
I'm from Dangriga, and I'm from the Dangriga Cycling Club. Yeah.
How does it feel to come from Dangriga to Belmopan for the cycling ride?
First time, it's good. Very excited. I just want a good ride. That's all.
All right, bless up, man. Good luck.
Peace out.
And just like that, the riders have now left the Belmopan mansion and are on their way to the Dangriga mansion. From Belmopan to Dangriga, Steve's 60th birthday bike ride. Yes, everything in place. We have the service vehicles in place. We have support vehicles in place. Let's get it on. These guys is trained all the way from San Diego to San Francisco in the mountains. Google Maps, elevation, telling me all these fancy words I know nothing about. But what I'm seeing for myself, guys, is some youths right here in Dangriga, 14 and 15-year-old. And these guys are riding like professionals, kicking ass left and right. Sign up for your butt kicking if you're ready. Guess what? This is Steve's bike ride right here in Dangriga. From Belmopan to Dangriga is approximately 60 miles, his 60th birthday, and he's right here doing it. So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and share the live. Share this live, guys. This is your boy Berne, the #1 selling artist in the history of Belize, and this is how we rolling. Let's get on this road.
Song is for everybody that want to celebrate something. Celebrating, we celebrating, y'all. Celebrating, we celebrating. Chupa manamule chupa manito chupa lido falale wabina hayong ta wabina hayoma wabina punta. When you see the big truck coming, hear the bass just thumping, those speakers bumping. Young and no socializing, this is so captivating. They'll keep music bridging.
In the distance, in the flush green Hummingbird highway, we can spot two riders coming up the hill. Half man, half amazing. Who is in the front, despite of what you heard? Yes, indeed, guys. It is Hummingbird, Alonzo Velasquez, a.k.a. Hummingbird. Yes, guys, at this minute we can confirm that Alonso Velasquez is in front and he's pedaling up the hill. Yes, he's making his way up the hill. Steve following close behind. Close behind is Steve as they make their way through the Hummingbird Highway, and they're going at it up the hill. Alonso Velasquez is in the lead. Alonso is in the lead about 1 bike length, and Steve is holding on very closely. Is he going to be able to hang on to Alonso? Is he going to be able to maintain as they work their way up this hill? Stride for stride, pedal for pedal. Who will take the first place medal? Steve is not putting the chase. Steve is putting the chase. Steve caught up to him. Steve is taking the lead. Steve is going to leave him behind. Steve got him 1 bike length, 2 bike length, 3 bike length. Steve is taking the lead. Steve is now in the front. Alonso is getting left behind. The service truck is following close behind. Is Alonso going to be able to make it? Steve arrived at the first resting place first. Guys, let's go ahead and speak with Steve quickly. First stop, you're here. How you feeling?
Man, feeling good, B. But the first part of it I did on flat tires, so now my tires are all pumped up. I feel like I'm flying now. First I felt like I was stuck in mud. Now I'm flying.
Okay.
Well, we're good.
Okay, how's the weather affecting you?
The weather is perfect. The humidity, it keeps the humidity down. So the rain is perfect. I love it. This is about the only time I don't sweat is when it's raining.
Okay. Yo, how you feeling with this bike ride, man?
Feel check up right now after the last hill, but I think I'm still good to make it to Griga.
Still good for Griga?
Yeah, still good to Griga, thanks man.
Well, they come from San Francisco, all kind of training, you know, the mountains of San Diego, all kind of thing. And then like, they do this like this easy.
If we tell you the shoot, after 2 months, I just trained 7 days. This will make the 8 days today.
Okay, you train 8 days?
Yeah, but short training.
Yeah, short training.
This the feel is very hard right now. Happy birthday, Steve, and enjoy your ride, Steve.
Happy birthday to Steve, and like how you got this ride, I would enjoy it.
Happy birthday, Steve. We are enjoying the ride.
Happy birthday, Steve. Happy birthday, Steve. Happy birthday, Steve. Happy birthday, Steve.
I had to take a licking, but you know, that are like Rolex, man, or the Timex. Take a licking and keep on ticking, eh?
Yeah. Discombobulated and confused, young and strong with nothing to lose, Alonso prepared himself mentally and refocuses as he get ready for the second leg of this ride. What a surprise! The Dangriga cyclist legend Big Riggs, aka Lion Paw, has just made his way to the first rest area where he's going to quickly get prepared and get himself in position to be a part of this ride. We also have Craddock, ladies and gentlemen. The one and only Craddock is also going to get himself in position to be a part of this ride. We also have a female cyclist from Dangriga. One of the most prolific female cyclists out of Dangriga is now joining us in this second leg of this bike ride. It's going to be some excitement. It's going to be some fun. It's going to be joy. It's going to be a celebration. This is definitely one for the history books right here on Steve's 60th birthday bike ride. Let's get it on. Live, love, laugh as we enjoy the fun and excitement that comes with Brother Steve's 60th birthday bike ride. I feel extremely blessed and fortunate to be here to experience and to witness the excitement, the glow in the eyes of the riders, the anticipation as they take off trying to complete another leg in this phase of Steve's 60th birthday bike ride on the Hummingbird Highway. Yes, indeed, these hills are monstrous. To see the riders make their way up the hill through the rain in the fog, it was just extremely impressive. As we make our way through the Hummingbird Highway, moving forward, one highway, one destination, heading to the Dangriga mansion. What was even more impressive was to see the way the riders would assist and help each other as they work together as a team. I must be honest with you, my brother Steve, Alonso, Regal are not the best cyclists and are not the best of those who are riding on this bike ride. But the professionals that came here, and even though no one here would probably consider themselves a professional, we truly look at them as professionals. And they assisted in every way to encourage, to motivate, and to continue to push Steve, Alonso, and Regal to do their best as they did everything they could to not just finish, but to finish strong with a very competitive spirit, never letting go of that drive to push and do their best through every leg of this ride, Steve's 60th birthday ride. This type of teamwork is very encouraging. It's very inspiring, even enough to inspire a lousy rider like me, myself, to want to be involved and to be a part of something as great as this. This type of teamwork can open the doors for so many other things bigger than just a bike ride. It can open the doors for so many other efforts for us as a community to come together, to work together, to uplift each other, to encourage, to inspire, and to create the positive energy that we want to live amongst. I am extremely humbled and privileged to be a part of this experience. Let's get to the good part. Once again, Steve is in the front and Alonso is putting chase on it. Alonso won't let Steve be in the front. He takes domination and gets in the front. Is this a ride or is this a race? Steve is in the back. Alonso is in the front. Alonso Velasquez, aka Hummingbird, is in the front. Is he pulling and is he creating a way to make it easier for Steve? Or is he putting the pressure on Steve to make himself take a lead? Is this a ride or is this a race? Is this a race or is this a bike ride? We always have a feeling of wanting to brag and to edify ourselves. So, will Hummingbird turn this ride into a race? Will Steve allow Hummingbird to get to the next resting area before him and maintain bragging rights? Steve is right on the tail. Steve is on the tail of Alonso. Steve is on his tail. One bike lead ahead. Anybody can take this one, guys. This is a sprint. This is a sprint. Alonso takes the sprint. And Alonso beats Steve.
How we got this then?
Alonso shows the cameraman the middle finger. That is definitely making a statement. Nobody wants to be doing bad or feeling like they're any less than anyone. Congratulations to Alonso for making it to this rest area before Steve. Now the ride is on.
Happy birthday, Steve. We are all enjoying the bike ride.
At this time, on the behalf of Steve and the Velasquez family, we would like to truly give you a heartfelt, sincere thank you to every one of you guys who made this bike ride possible. We would like to give a special thank you to the Dangriga Cycling Club and everyone who came from Dangriga to see that this bike ride was an actual success. We would like to thank every one of you guys who drove your vehicles, every one of you who spent money on gas or spent money on just buying food to have the energy to participate in this bike ride. Every little thing that you did to make this bike ride possible is truly acknowledged and appreciated. We truly appreciate you. This bike ride could not have been made possible without your contribution. Whether you look at it like a small contribution or the greatest and the biggest of contribution. You made this possible, and we truly appreciate you. Riders, get on your bike and prepare for the final leg of Steve's 60th birthday bike ride. Now we are on the final leg of this bike ride. This is now showtime. As the guys leave 6 miles, you can feel the tension. You can feel the anxiety. You can feel the energy in the air. It's about to be showtime. This part of the ride, guys, is where all the excitement really kicks in. There's a bunch of station prizes on the road. There's going to be prizes at the end. This is now where the ride really begins to take place.
This song is for everybody that want to celebrate something. Celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. Celebrate, y'all. Celebrating, put your cups up in celebrating, we celebrating. Chupama namule chupama, chupama neto chupama, chupama lido, fagale wabina hayong ta 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 ta, wabina hayong ma, wabina hayong ma, wabina punta. When you see the big truck coming, hear the bass just thumping, the speakers bumping. Young and no socializing, this is so captivating. The cat music bridging, and that is beautiful weather. Good music bring us together. When the music run through my vein, my body feel no pain. Everything to gain, from the boulevard to the main, from the corner down the lane. Group of people going insane, behind the big truck in the rain. So many races united as one. Love this type of celebration. Hey, we celebrating, we celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. Wave your flags up, celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. Belize, where you at? Namulelua, Katesa, Mama Talua for a wungwa ya Dangriga. Wabina hayoma, wabina hayoma, wabina hayom potama. We celebrating, we celebrating. Namulelua, Katesa, Mama Talua for a wungwa. Dangriga mama, wabina yung potama. Chupama namule chupaba, chupama neto chupaba, chupaba lido, wagale wabina hayong tata. We celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. Like that. Celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. And that is beautiful weather. Good music bring us together. When the music run through my vein, my body feel no pain. My voice no strain. Everything to gain, from the boulevard to the main, from the corner down the lane. Group of people going insane, behind the big truck in the rain. So many races united as one. Love this type of celebration. We celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. What in the hayom? Celebrating, celebrating, we celebrating. Everybody back to the truck. Chupamanamule, chupamanito, wabina lido, wagale wabina hayong, wabina hayong potama, wabina hayong potama, wabina hayong potama. Chupamanamule, it's your boy Berne, chupamanito, we celebrating. Celebrating.
Please leave a comment and share with us in the comment section what you think about this type of positive workforce together. Thanks for taking the time to view this video. Thanks for leaving a comment. Thanks for sharing. We truly appreciate you.
I think all the guys here out here are soldiers to make it in this kind of weather.
Yes.
It's not easy.
Right, we got to do all of that. When I win, I always win.
You got it for me.
What happened, you know? Yeah, I told you about that.
We got some people from the
After